What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your CJ dropshipping account to your TikTok shop in order to dropship products through your TikTok shop. Now what you are doing is basically dropshipping, which is like listing a product on your website or store, in this case TikTok shop, and however you do not have the product itself physically or in a warehouse or like have inventory of the product itself. However, you are using like a dropshipping provider, in this case CJ Dropshipping, which has all the products, and you would list the product on your store or TikTok shop for a bit higher price than it's on CJ Dropshipping, of course including the shipping fees. And once you get an order on your TikTok shop or e-commerce store generally, you would fulfill it on CJ Dropshipping, and CJ Dropshipping will handle the packaging, the delivery, and shipping, and all of that to deliver the product to your customers, and you'll get the price difference as a profit. So it's a pretty cool business model. And in this video, I'll show you how to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. I already have one. However, I'll show you how to create one from scratch and also how to connect it to your TikTok shop. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to CJ Dropshipping page. That's cjdropshipping.com. And here you have the option to sign in if you already have an account, or register. So I'll click on register to create a new account. And here you want to enter your email, password, confirm it. And if you do have an invitation code, or you can sign in with WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Apple, or Shopify. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email and password and then continue the process. And here I need to enter a username and first name here and last name, and then confirm my phone number or enter my phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a username and my name and my phone number and then confirm it. And now once I successfully completed the registry process, I'll just gonna go ahead and close these tabs. Here it'll tell me my username and my email. I can skip these steps. However, these questions are crucial. Now, which platform are you running your store on right now? So they give you some of the popular platforms such as Shopify, TikTok, eBay. And in this case, I want to select TikTok Shop USA because we want to connect it to our TikTok shop. And you need to know that this will work in the USA. So if your TikTok shop is based in the United States, that'll work for you. And then click on submit. Okay, so we forgot to complete the questions. So I just starting my business and what category, let's say phones and accessories. Now click on submit. And now this is a letter for TikTok shop US merchants. You want to read it carefully, because here you want to abide to their policies, and they let you sell only products stored in the US warehouses, can be sold on TikTok Shop USA, and you need to connect your TikTok shop with CJ Dropshipping, and it's easy and seamless. And it's not recommended to list, connect, and fulfill orders manually or by Excel. Now, once you've read it, just click on go here. And now your CJ Dropshipping account is created, as you can see here. And once you are done registering and creating your CJ Dropshipping account, you need to click here to verify your email. So let's verify it. So click on verify email. And then you want to click here to enter verification code, click on send. And you want to go to your inbox and enter the verification code that you got. So I'll just open my temporary mail website. Okay, it loads up my inbox right now. And here it is, the email verification from CJ Dropshipping. You want to open it and then copy this code that they sent you. Go back to the verification page, paste this code, click on verify. And now you've successfully verified it. So click on confirm to go back. Now what you want to do is connect your TikTok shop to this CJ Dropshipping account. So from the menu, let's close this pop-up. From the menu on the left here, in the authorization, you want to go ahead, hover over it, and it lets you successfully connect it. Okay, let's close this pop-up once again. Now let's click on authorization just to see. Now you can connect to many e-commerce stores. Now in our case here, you want to connect to the TikTok shop. So click on authorization and then go ahead and click on TikTok shop US or TikTok, the normal TikTok shop. It will load up this page. And here you can transfer record, you can add store if you already created a store on your TikTok, or view here the TikTok shop US products. And if you don't already have a store, you can click to create it. So here, click on add store, and you should see here some information, some steps to connect it. Click on OK. Now it'll redirect you to the TikTok page where you would want to select here North America seller and select United States. Click on next, and it'll open up here the TikTok shop page where you can sign up with TikTok account or log in if you do already have one. So let's click on join now. You would want to enter your phone number or email to sign up or continue or sign up with your TikTok account. So I'll just copy my email here, the test email that I was generating. So I'll paste it here and then click on continue. Okay, confirm market. I'm just confirming that I'm selling market. The selling market is United States. Okay, confirm. Okay, it'll ask me to confirm my identity by selecting two shapes of two items of the same shape. So these two, confirm. Okay, the verification is complete. And now I want to enter the numbers or the code sent to my email. So I'll open up my inbox once again, go back to list. And now I can see this code sent by TikTok, 572299, okay, 572299. And now I need to enter a password and confirm it, and then we'll click on continue. And now it'll redirect me to my seller center. Welcome to the United States sites. And now I'll click on start selling. It'll redirect me to this page where I select my business type. Let's click on individual. Next. Here it'll tell me to verify my ID. So I'll need to add like a US passport or US driver's license to confirm my ID. So I'll not go through these steps right now as I don't have like a US passport or driver's license. However, if you do have, of course, you should upload the legit one, and you should go through these steps. Once you upload it, they should ask for some information. So for the sake of this video, I'll just upload a random image just to show you the next step. Okay, let's upload this one. And once you do, you'll want to enter your legal name, US passport number, and address to verify your identity. And then you would create your TikTok shop, and it's now connected to your CJ Dropshipping, so you can list items to sell on your TikTok shop from CJ Dropshipping. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to connect your CJ Dropshipping account to your TikTok shop.